Hidden deep in the mountains of Fujian province, southeastern China, lies one of the world's most extraordinary architectural wonders, the Fujian Tulou. Most Fujian Tulou were built between the 12th and 20th centuries by the Hakka people, a Han Chinese subgroup who migrated southward to escape war-torn regions, facing constant threats from bandits and local conflicts. The Haka needed homes that could protect entire clans. The earliest Tulu appeared during the Song dynasty, around 1100 to 1200, but the Golden Age came in the Ming, 1368 to 1644, and especially Qing, 1644 to 1912 dynasties. When hundreds of massive structures were erected, Yunshuiyao village itself dates back over 600 years. Its most famous cluster, Hegilu, Huayuanlu, and the picturesque Pregusting Bridge, was mostly constructed in the late Qing and Republican eras, late 1800s to early 1900s. At first glance, a Tulu looks like a giant UFO made of earth. The largest ones house up to 800 people from the same clan. Typical features include thick rammed earth walls up to 2 meters thick. Mixed with bamboo, glutinous rice, and brown sugar for strength, and only one main gate that is heavily fortified. Circular, square, or oval shapes are used, circles symbolizing family unity in Chinese culture. And structures often rise 3 to 6 stories high, with livestock on the ground floor, food storage in the middle, and living quarters above. At the center sits an ancestral hall where everyone gathers for worship and decisions. This wasn't just a building, it was a self-sufficient mini-city. One surname, one Tulu, one big family. Everything was communal. Kitchens, wells, schools, even defense. When enemies attacked, they simply closed the gate and poured hot oil from the upper windows. For centuries, Tulu life stayed almost unchanged. But after 1949, many young people left for cities. By the 1980s, some Tulu were abandoned or falling apart. Everything changed in 2008 when 46 Fujian Tulou, including several in Yunshuiyao area, were inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Suddenly, tourists arrived in waves. Today you'll see modern guest houses. Inside 400-year-old buildings, solar panels on ancient roofs, coffee shops, and souvenir stalls next to ancestral altars, and young Haka returning to open boutique homestays. The government and locals now work together on conservation, using traditional rammed earth techniques for repairs, limiting new concrete constructions. and training the next generation to continue the craft. Fujian Tulou are much more than defensive houses. They represent core Chinese values such as harmony between man and nature through earth, wood, and feng shui orientation. Family unity and collectivism with hundreds living peacefully under one roof. Equality through identical rooms arranged symmetrically, and sustainability using local soil and natural ventilation. Even today, many Tulus still perform ancestral ceremonies during spring festival and mid-autumn. The smell of incense, the sound of gongs, and hundreds of red lanterns lighting up the courtyard at night. It's pure magic. Yunshuiyao and the Fujian Tulou remind us that architecture can be defensive yet beautiful, communal yet sustainable, ancient yet perfectly alive in the 21st century. If this journey through time touched your heart, please give this video a like, leave a comment telling us which Tulou you want to sleep in, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next adventure.